Good news! The planet has an agreed goal to effectively conserve 30% of the planet by 2030, known as 30 by 30. Nice! But hold on, how do we get there? Effective conservation is a job that already exists. Rangers. Rangers deeply understand biodiversity and work tirelessly to conserve it. Rangers can deliver 30 by 30, but they need us to recognize and support them. Today, there are only 285,000 rangers protecting our planet. But we need 1.5 million trained and equipped rangers to achieve the goal. 30 by 30 by 1.5 million rangers. Share and be part of the solution.